The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wise County in north central Texas until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bridgeport, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Decatur, Bridgeport, Alvord, Chico, Paradise, Runaway Bay, Lake Bridgeport, Greenwood, Slidell, Park Springs, Crafton, and Cottondale. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
I'm in.